Welcome to my sad and shameless attempt to try and appeal to a younger audience. As you can see, all the views I currently get are coming from people that are either my age or older, so I have downloaded TikTok on my phone, and today, because this is an automotive channel, we're going to be putting in hashtags like car to see what TikTok has to offer. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Let's get right into the video.
Hey yo, Rich Boy Check.
That's the dream car, the AMG G-Class. Holy, okay, this hair is already getting ridiculous. While I'm putting my hair up, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, because once we hit 5,000, I'm going to be doing a quarantine workout video, and once we hit 100,000, I'm going to be shaving all of this hair off of the top of my head. And obviously, I'll be donating it as well. On with the TikToks.
Shut up, idiot.
Oh!
Yo, you got that car mount?
Yeah, it's like a magnet style.
Oh, dude, that's cool. Yo, you got that car mount?
Yeah,
That's funny.
Oh, dude, that's cool. What it's like to drive manual. Foot on the clutch, then make sure it's in neutral.
Yeah. Every time.
What in cousin fucking tarnation, Alabama Betty Crocker, Miss fucking Betty White shit is this? Holy shit.
What on earth did they do to that Fiat? What? Oh, buddy. Oh no. It's a disaster. Don't lock your dogs in cars or else this is gonna happen to you. What
the f***?
You what? Why is it?
What the f***?
That's not normal. Oh no, he's gonna set off the alarm. Yeah.
Gary, stop! Don't put that car in the pool!
Why would you-
Gary, the car! Get it out of the pool, Terry! Hey, I just bought that bottle, dude! What the hell? It's expensive! Bad duck! 1, 2, 3!
You're racing a friend and you both lose. It's gonna break down. They're both gonna break down. Yo! Let's go. The Supra.
You see this Audi? This Audi.
Bro. Shame. Holy. Wow, good for this guy. Holy. That's impressive. Wow. But how do you... Oh no. Oh no. No.
Someone call the cops on my father. Someone.
No, let your dad have his fun. What are you
He's on
talking
fire.
about?
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
Clean car part 2. Going in. Oh my god, I haven't seen the bottom of this thing since I bought the car. What was in there? Freaking barbecue sauce? I mean, come on. Ooh. Call me rich or whatever. Ew, 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 ew. I've had this car for about 3 or 4 years and I've never cleaned that out. Don't come for me, I have a phobia of change. She looked good. I don't even smoke cigarettes. Why is it like, she looks fresh, no cap. This is my swamp. It's a mystery to where my other cup holder went, but we're gonna focus on the swamp. A whole thing of Listerine. That's where my megaphone
Well, she drives
went.
a Nissan.
A hanger! Mellow yellow! This here is all the trash that I've gathered here today. I mean, she looks real good. She looks good. Alright, besides that, don't look at that. I have to vacuum. But if anyone can tell me how to shampoo seats, I really need that insight.
What did you do in part 1? Holy. Mercedes is doing crazy stuff. Wouldn't that be so cool if that was actually the future of cars? Oh, The fact they have a working prototype as well makes this a million times better.
What the f*** is that fucking thing?
What the f***? Hello?
What? Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe.
What are you? Yeah, what are you?
Bad vibe!
That's so true. So many people in 2020 don't know how to drive stick. It's so sad. Best feeling in the world. Yep. Sounds about right. Ooh, oh yeah, Supercar Blondie. Of course it's Supercar Blondie. Can I be Supercar Blondie? He is a car that will probably never exist. That's an Australian accent. TikTok being educational now. No. What? Very clever video editing, I'm gonna say. Holy moly. Oh my goodness.
Check out this cool car trick. Lock your car, then push the unlock button twice, and then hold it down.
Yeah.
What?
A lot of cars do this and people don't know it. So if you own something like a Nissan Titan, you can do this as well. What?
He's the going, bud.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone.
Sure.
Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Be kind, it's contagious, especially during this whole pandemic. Oh my goodness. Bro. BMW is also doing cool stuff. Can this please be the future? This would be so cool. No. No, that's fake. That's not real. Yeah, okay. Where are the reflections on the cars? Another crazy Mercedes concept.
Hey, yo!
Tesla check!
Okay, that's enough internet for one day. Thank you so much for watching me use TikTok for the first and probably the last time. That is not true. I'm actually editing the video right now, and there will be a part 2 to this that I'll link at the end of the video. There was just so many TikToks and I had so much fun with it that I had enough to make 2 videos with. Anyway, remember to subscribe if you want to see all this hair off the top of my head. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm gonna leave you with a really cute dog. His buddy's always sitting down here when I'm making videos, and I feel so bad for him. He just sits here all by himself. Anyway, my name is Thomas, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Shut up, idiot.
Alabama Betty Crocker.